In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add 301 redirects for blog pages in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to create the redirect. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Settings tab, then open the SEO section. Find the 301 redirects option and click Add Redirect to create a new redirect rule. In the old URL field, enter the relative path of the blog page or blog post you want to redirect, such as blog or the old blog post URL. In the destination field, enter or select the new page or blog post where you want visitors to be redirected. Make sure the destination URL is correct, then save the redirect. After saving, publish your website if required. Test the old blog URL in your browser to confirm that it automatically redirects to the new page. That's how to add 301 redirects for blog pages in Weebly. Thanks for watching.